Are you desperately out of shape? Does the thought of working out in front of muscle bros at the gym scare you? But what if you could work out and look like you're in the special forces all at the same time? Now you can with the Adidas Performance Adjustable 20-pound weighted vest. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Specs and features. Looking exactly like a piece of branded athletic Kevlar, this weighted vest gives you some instant street cred, especially if you're in the bad part of town. Built with durability and comfort in mind, using Adidas Aero-Ready technology combined with durable materials to make the vest both comfortable and secure. The weighted vest from Adidas features a rigid, skeletal-like spine for support and adjustable Velcro straps for a snug fit. Padded sections of the shoulders prevent rubbing and make the entire ergonomic vest feel like it's an extension of yourself. Up and down the vest, you'll find 14 strategically placed pockets, which are used to hold various weights. Now, you'll notice this vest advertises that it comes with 20 pounds of weights that can be added or removed to create the perfect resistance. You've got a mix of different weighted sandbag pouches, 8 1-pound bags, and 6 2-pound bags for a total of 20 pounds. Pick your perfect weight, strap her on, and hey, presto, you've just made doing everything way harder. So, what do we like about the Adidas Performance Adjustable 20-pound weighted vest? 20 pounds sounds like a lot of weight, but as this vest works to spread the weight evenly around itself, it becomes surprisingly comfortable. The open sides and breathable inner mesh means that excess sweat is wicked away effortlessly, even in high-intensity workouts that would normally leave you drenched. It's a great way to turbocharge your workouts and quickly build both strength and stamina. So, what's the downside? Obviously, Matt here is an example of peak human fitness, but larger folk, well, they may have some issues doing this vest up. There's not a lot of give on the straps around the chest, and this makes us think it might not be a one-size-fits-all as described. We're also a little confused with the lack of a decent phone pocket. With all 20 pounds added to the vest, all 14 pockets are full, leaving nowhere to store your phone. While we managed to cram 2 1-pound patches into a single pocket to be able to put our phone in the other, the weight distribution then felt a little off. So, what do you need to know before you rush out and buy one? As with all exercises, there is a risk of injury, and the health department at Harvard University has recommended weighted vests not be used by anyone with neck or spinal issues. So, if you're pregnant, have spinal stenosis, significant disc degeneration, or a serious back injury, you might want to steer clear. So, what's the verdict? There's so much to love about this weighted vest from Adidas. It's comfortable, easy to adjust, and most of all, if you use it on the regular, you will see results. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. We took half a star off because it kicked our ass. And the Adidas Performance Adjustable 20-pound weighted vest could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Adidas Performance Adjustable 20-pound weighted vest, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag we showed you in today's review. And if you want to increase your odds of winning today, just click on the link in the description below, where you can earn additional entries by sharing the giveaway with friends and following us on Instagram. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck, everyone. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.